Hi, it's me, Josephine, and today I'm showing you in this video how I'm making the leaf of this cute Gnome baby. And if you haven't seen the two other parts where I'm showing how to make the head of the Gnome baby and how to make the body, then you will find the links here in the corner. And if you want to watch first that video, you will also find the videos at the end of that video, and also in the description box, of course. If you like that video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because this will help my YouTube channel a lot. And if you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified about all of my videos and will not miss any. I'm uploading every week, every Wednesday. I wish you lots of fun with this video. So now you know how to make the leaf of the cute Gnome Baby. I hope this video was a help for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This will help my channel so much. Have a beautiful time. Goodbye.